What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of My Dog Reacts. This episode is sunglasses. Has these little dingly thing. Okay, well, let's try this. Chase, you're gonna be the coolest dog. Get it, dog? You know, and people get like, yo, dog. Alright, Chase, don't freak out. Look, you look so cool. You're so awesome. Hey. Oh, can I get your autograph? Chase. Chase. Yeah, jeez. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. Now it's the if he'll bite it test. He licked it. Chase. Alright, this side. Nope. He just looks away. Okay, Chase, the throw test. He walks to me. Chase. Okay, so the throw at him test. He doesn't really care. Now the fake hit him test. He always gets scared when I do that. It's okay, Jeezy. Well, that's it for this time. Leave a comment, leave a like, and of course, subscribe. Let me turn this off.